Hello, good evening. Welcome you all to Nutmeg India YouTube channel as well as the nutmeg.in Facebook page. So before we start, I just want to give you a small information, that is we are going to prepare our video in English and Hindi language in parallel with Bengali language definitely. So few of our viewers have requested us because they are from probably from Kerala or Goa, so they could not understand the video content in Bengali language. So we have decided, the entire Nutmeg team have decided that we will prepare the video in Hindi, English and Bengali channel, Bengali language definitely. So I think you have already checked the thumbnail. So according to the thumbnail, we will discuss on the East Bengal's transfer update, East Bengal's agreement signing and East Bengal's future in ISL. Before I starting with the current status of East Bengal's agreement signing, I just want to take you to the 1 year back. After terminating the agreement of the previous investor, West Corporation, East Bengal took a very long and winding route to the glamorous world of Indian Super League. They hold the hand of Shree Cement and placed the bid to play in ISL. And definitely after a certain period of time, it was an official announcement that East Bengal is a part of ISL family. As they were a bit late in a transfer market, they could not build their team as per their expectation in last year. So as a result, the performance was not up to the mark definitely. So what's next? So what is the future of East Bengal in ISL? So in this, East Bengal club officials have raised few concerns about the discrepancy between the term sheet and the final agreement. As in parallel, the Shree Cement officials also told that they will not make the team if the club officials sign this final agreement. So there was a very dicey situation. In this moment, we got a very remarkable comment from FSDL. You know that FSDL had a meeting with ISL franchises probably last week or a couple of weeks back. After that meeting, FSDL commented that sort out this problem soon or it's time to goodbye. It's a very important comment from FSDL. What is the meaning of this comment? We have to understand it. FSDL is suggesting East Bengal to sort out this problem with their current investor Shree Cement. Else, FSDL probably will not allow East Bengal with the current another investor at this point of time, because there is no time. They are trying to plan the next ISL. So after this comment from FSDL, as per our source, East Bengal and both the parties, East Bengal and Shree Cement, are showing some flexible attitude, and hopefully, let's finger cross, all the problems will be sorted out and we can give you a positive news in next couple of weeks. As of now, this is the current status of SC East Bengal's agreement signing. Hopefully, we will be able to give you a positive updates in next couple of weeks. So let's finger cross. And now I want to go back to the second segment in today's video, that is transfer update of SC East Bengal. So before I start, I just want to request you, if you have not subscribed our YouTube channel, let's subscribe it, and don't forget to click on the notification button to get the notification of new videos. Also you can visit the nutmeg.in Facebook page. You will get all the news and updates of Indian football and world football in nutmeg.in page as well as in the Nutmeg India YouTube channel through the new videos. So now I will start with the transfer update of SC East Bengal. So because of these dicey situations, you already know that few of the players have left SC East Bengal and signed in a different club, like Scott Neville. Scott Neville, you already know, he has signed in Brisbane Roar. So like this, I just want to name few of the important names who can stay in East Bengal or who can left in East Bengal. I just sequentially quickly I will name few names. So now And last there is a surprise for East Bengal fans. So I will start with Shankar Rai, goalkeeper Shankar Rai. Currently he is in talk with I-League, because maybe to get some match time he is looking for Roundglass Punjab or any Srinidhi FC in I-League club. Like next is Raju Gaikwad. Raju Gaikwad is in touch with Chennaiyin FC. Probably he will sign in Chennaiyin FC, and in next couple of weeks or next week Chennaiyin FC will officially announce for Raju Gaikwad. Also Kerala Blasters, he is in talk with Kerala Blasters as well. So next one is Narayan Das. Narayan Das is in touch with Chennaiyin FC, and currently, as you know that who all follow us, you already know that we maintain the transfer status in 5 segments. First one is wild rumor, second one is initial talk, then advanced talk, then deal done, and then confirm. Confirm means when the official announcement is happened. So like this, for Narayan Das we can say he is in initial talk with Chennaiyin FC, but Raju Gaikwad is in advanced talk with Chennaiyin FC. Next is Sarthak Gului. Probably the deal done with Bengaluru FC. Next is Milan Singh. Milan Singh is basically, he is a very talented young player. He has come from Northeast United to SC East Bengal, but he has some muscles injury and the return is unknown for Milan Singh. Probably he could be released. The latest update we have for Jack Magoma, you already know, he has signed in Spalding United in England. And probably Danny Fox and Pilkington will not continue with SC East Bengal in next year, next season. But a good update, maybe a good update for SC East Bengal, that is the talented centre forward, the talented player, the skillful player, the bright Enoch Bakhare will definitely continue, probably will not, until and unless official announcement is happened, we could not say, but probably he will stay in SC East Bengal. And Marty Steinman, you already know, he has signed in Brisbane Roar. And last but not the least, I told you that nutmeg means a surprise. So a surprise means nutmeg identified that maybe Sri Cement East Bengal is not, Sri Cement already told that he will not build the team if until and unless the officials sign this final agreement. But we found a link up of SC East Bengal with a Cameroon defender. You can see the profile. Today is 26th of June. SC East Bengal is in touch with this Cameroon defender. The name is Fabrice Enga. He is a Cameroon, the citizenship is Cameroon, left back position, and the current international is Cameroon. His age is 23, is a very young guy and talented guy, and the market price is 41.66 million. So as I told you that maybe there could be a dicey situation, so there could be a hard, difficult path they are going through, SC East Bengal is going through, but in parallel they have started to contact with players, they have started to build the team. So we have the link up with this player with SC East Bengal. So these all are about the discussions I want to do with our Nutmeg valuable viewers. So probably just a summary I can say, SC East Bengal regarding the agreement signing, SC East Bengal, probably we will give you a positive update in next couple of weeks. And regarding the transfer update, currently a Cameroon defender, SC East Bengal is in touch with a Cameroon defender, the Fabrice Nga, and I can assure you, if the problem is sorted out, SC East Bengal has a very good lineup of target list. So till then, stay with us, subscribe our YouTube channel Nutmeg India, like and follow in our Facebook page nutmeg.in. Till then, stay with us. Goodbye. Take care.